Welcome, architects and engineers. As we scale microservices into global, high-availability clusters, the complexity of inter-service communication grows exponentially. We no longer just care about whether a service is up, we care about observability, security, and traffic control without modifying application code. Today, we are performing a deep dive comparison into the three titans of the service mesh world: Istio, Linkerd, and Consul. We will evaluate them across architectural integrity, performance overhead, and operational feasibility. By the end of this session, you will have a clear framework for deciding which mesh best supports your infrastructure's specific scaling requirements and reliability patterns. Istio is the most mature and feature-complete service mesh in the ecosystem. Its architecture relies on the Envoy proxy, deployed as a sidecar alongside every service instance. The centralized control plane, known as Istio, manages configuration, certificate issuance, and telemetry collection. Istio excels in environments where granular traffic shifting, like canary deployments or A/B testing, is a primary requirement. While it offers unparalleled flexibility, this comes at the cost of complexity. Managing Istio's custom resource definitions requires a dedicated operational understanding of its internal components, like Pilot, Citadel, and Galley, which have now been consolidated into the unified Istio binary for simplified management. If your primary goal is performance and low operational overhead, Linkerd is the definitive choice. Unlike Istio, Linkerd does not use Envoy. Instead, it utilizes a specialized microproxy written in Rust, designed for extreme memory safety and speed. Linkerd's philosophy is zero configuration. It provides MTLS by default for all mesh traffic and focuses on the essentials: gold standard metrics, retries, and timeouts. It is often cited as having the lowest latency overhead among the three. For teams that want to achieve the security benefits of a service mesh without the burden of learning a complex policy engine, Linkerd provides a streamlined, developer-friendly path to production. Consul by HashiCorp is unique because it was a service discovery tool long before it was a service mesh. This heritage makes it the ideal candidate for hybrid environments where microservices are split between Kubernetes and traditional virtual machines. Consul Connect extends its service-to-service identity and authorization to any infrastructure. It integrates seamlessly with the HashiCorp stack, including Vault for secrets management and Nomad for orchestration. While Istio and Linkerd are heavily Kubernetes native, Consul's ability to bridge the gap between legacy data centers and modern cloud-native clusters makes it indispensable for large-scale enterprise migrations and multi-region connectivity. In high-scale systems, every millisecond matters. When we compare the data plane latency, Linkerd consistently leads with the lowest P99 latency, largely due to its lightweight Rust proxies. Istio, while highly optimized, introduces slightly more overhead because of the breadth of its feature set and the Envoy filter chain. Consul falls somewhere in the middle, but its resource consumption on the control plane can spike in very large clusters with thousands of services. Architects must balance the feature requirements against the mesh tax, the extra CPU and memory required for the sidecars. In resource-constrained environments, the lean nature of Linkerd can save significant cloud compute costs over time. Security is often the primary driver for service mesh adoption. All three meshes provide mutual TLS, MTLS, for encrypting traffic in transit. Istio offers a robust policy-based authorization layer that allows for fine-grained access control based on service identity and request headers. Linkerd focuses on simplicity, providing automatic MTLS rotation without configuration. Consul leverages its tight integration with Vault to manage certificates and uses its intentions feature to define which services are allowed to communicate. For high-compliance industries like finance or healthcare, Istio's ability to enforce complex zero-trust policies across the entire network provides a significant advantage despite its configuration overhead. A service mesh provides a God's eye view of your network. Istio integrates deeply with Prometheus and Kiali, offering a rich dashboard that visualizes service dependencies and traffic flow in real time. Linkerd provides a built-in dashboard that is remarkably intuitive, focusing on the golden signals: success rate, latency, and throughput, RPS. Consul provides health checking and integrates with the HashiCorp ecosystem for monitoring. For deep debugging and distributed tracing, Istio's telemetry is the most granular, allowing engineers to inspect individual request spans and headers. However, Linkerd's out-of-the-box experience allows teams to get 90% of the visibility they need with virtually zero setup time. The biggest risk in service mesh adoption is the operational burden. Istio's learning curve is steep. It requires an understanding of complex networking concepts and a large number of custom resource definitions, CRDs. Upgrading Istio in a production environment used to be a daunting task, though Canary upgrades have mitigated this risk. Linkerd prides itself on being operator-friendly, with a CLI that performs pre-flight checks and a simple install process. Consul requires managing a distributed state via the Raft consensus protocol, which adds another layer of database-like management to your infrastructure. When choosing, consider the size and expertise of your SRE team. Don't choose a mesh that will overwhelm your staff's capacity. To summarize our comparison, the choice depends on your environment. If you are running a massive Kubernetes-only cluster and need complex traffic routing and strict security policies, Istio is the industry standard for a reason. If you are a startup or a mid-sized team looking for the best performance and quickest time to value with minimal maintenance, Linkerd is the superior choice. If you are an enterprise with a footprint that spans across Kubernetes, on-premise servers, and multiple clouds, Consul's ability to unify these disparate environments into a single service directory makes it the most strategic option. Evaluate your 2-year roadmap before committing to a specific ecosystem. As we look toward the future, the concept of the sidecar-less mesh is gaining traction. Technologies like eBPF are allowing some mesh functions to move into the kernel, potentially eliminating the need for a proxy alongside every pod. Istio's ambient mesh and Linkerd's ongoing research into eBPF are leading this charge. This promises to reduce latency even further and simplify the deployment model by removing sidecar injection entirely. Regardless of the architecture, the goals remains the same, making the network invisible, secure, and observable. Stay focused on these fundamentals as you build the next generation of global, ultra-scalable systems. Thank you for joining this deep dive.